I tested 9 of the best carpet sweepers. And so this is the Fuller Electrostatic Carpet Sweeper. And when I tell you I ran him through the gauntlet, I did. Now, here's the thing about Fuller, right? So this company has been around since 1906. So you know that they know a thing or two about carpets and brushes. So let me tell you about this. So this is the electrostatic. So it's not powered. That's not how this works. But this is the Cadillac of carpet sweepers. And here's some of the tests that I ran. So I wanted to go and test it on the hardwood, tile, and laminate. So what I did is I did a couple of tests. So the first thing is I put coffee grounds and rice next to each other, and I went through it. And I do want to be honest with you, it didn't really do that fantastic of a job. It just didn't. And so I thought that maybe the pieces were too small. And so that's why I tried it with Cheerios, and I tried to make the pieces bigger. It also didn't do that well. So what it seemed to do is it seemed like it just kind of pushed it out of the way. That's all it did. So very clearly and it could be what I was trying to sweep it up with. It could be the laminate that was on. I'm not sure. It just didn't seem to do that well of a job for what I tried. Now, what I can say is I did find out that, yeah, that's pretty common. So instead, what you should do in that case is lift it up and put it on the pile and then sweep it, and it will pick it up that way. But just pushing like you're used to doing, it's not meant for that. So I wanted to test it on pet hair. And so I have 3 cats. And so unfortunately, cat hair is everywhere. So here's the honest beat on that too. So what we did is I had a bunch of their hair and I put it in a little square. It did actually pick it up. This is what I believe. And I can tell you this, it didn't show up on camera very, very well, but what I noticed outside of the camera is if you have globs of this hair, I also have a husky. Probably should have gotten her hair, but if you have globs of hair everywhere, it may not be the best. It just may not. It's going to be brutal. Longer hair, it's going to be brutal. The cats that I have, they're not long hair. The husky is. So if you have longer hair, then it's going to get wrapped around and it just may be difficult. You're going to have to go and get it out of the rollers. Is it going to be a deal breaker? No, I don't think so. I think that this is going to be best if you're going to use it for pet hair. This is going to be best for in between your vacuums, but you're still going to have to vacuum. It's not going to take the place of that. Now, is it good on carpet? And that's something that we need to talk about. Yes, it is. I think it is. So what I did is I actually put rice on my carpet to go and see how well it was going to pick it up, because it didn't do very well on the hardwood. Well, guess what? It actually did a lot better on the carpet. So I wasn't really too surprised because, for me, that's what I got it for, is for the carpet. So yes, it did pick it up, and that's where I found out also about the pick it up and put it on the pile. That's where I learned it, was there actually. So yes, it does go in and work very well on carpet. Now, is it quiet? That's going to be the question. And yes, actually, it really was. It was very quiet. I would have to say it's probably the quietest out of all the ones that I tested. And I think that's important, especially if you have a baby that's sleeping, if you have a partner that's sleeping, maybe someone that's watching TV and you don't want to bother them. I thought it was very, very quiet. So very, very good. Is it durable? Well, the entire thing is metal. I would say this is probably the sturdiest out of all of them I tried. I mean, to me, this felt like it was going to be a tank. And obviously, I say that with slight exaggeration, but I mean, when it comes down to the quality of the materials, this felt like a tank. It was definitely built to outlast your vacuum cleaner. And we all know that sometimes those vacuum cleaners, you have to get replaced. I think this one is going to last you for years, years. So I love the fact that it's built like that. Now, this is smaller than all of the ones that I tested. And I think that's helpful to get inside of corners and under the furniture because, a lot of your furniture has a gap like that. This will make it under it, no problems at all. So this is a really light model. And I think that's important because this is a very light carpet sweeper, and I think that's very important to know because if it's too heavy, then it's difficult to push and pull. And this is not difficult at all. In fact, I think this is going to be great for someone that has mobility issues, someone that has a hard time getting around, or if they just can't, if they can't handle the weight of some of the others, I think this is great for them. And when it comes to assembly, what's interesting is there was actually a guy, he's 77, and he said that it took him less than 4 minutes. Well, guess what? I tested it too, and it took me less than 4 minutes as well. So it was not difficult to put together. It was literally one, two, and then put it onto the base, and we're done. It was so fast. So I like the ease of use of this. And that to me makes sense. If they've been around since 19, it was really easy to empty this out as well. If you flip it over, then you'll actually see that there are two places where it says to push. And I did, and I didn't realize you have to go and push it so that it actually opens up and will stay there. It was super simple to empty out the tray. To me, I think this is one that you're going to go and have this for a long time. Do I think that this is something that I can pass down to my kids? I don't know. I'm not sure yet. Now, because of the pet hair, I think that, I can easily get the pet hair out of the rollers. That won't be an issue. But really, I truly, truly believe that this is something that's going to last for a very long time. So I think it's going to be worth the money.